Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths term 2. Unit 1 is geometry. Geometry is completed. This one unit 2 numbers. Numbers is used here term 2 multiplication. Multiplication is already you know to do for standard algorithm, but here given for first one lattice algorithm. Unit 2 numbers multiplication used the method for lattice algorithm. Already you see this one first one sum is completed for last class. Exercise number 2.1 multiply the following number by using the lattice method. So 2 digit number 52 and 49. So take the boxes for 4 box. So arrange the number first one top 52 5 2 52 4 9 49. So already you know the method to do the multiplication. Then you find out the answer. Shall I move now? Next one sum 2. Here taken for second sum 65 multiply 37. So write the number 6, 5 first one number. Then 3, 7 is a second number. So this is the way to arrange the numbers for lattice algorithm. Then you do for again 6, 5, 3, 7. Do the multiplication 3 5s are 15. So write the number 15. The next one 3 6 are 18. So write 18. The next one first row is completed. Second row 7 5s are 35. Then 7 6 are 42. Do the diagonal addition. Multiplication is completed. Last final you find out the answers. So first you take this diagonal. So 5. Then second diagonal for 3 number is having here 2, 3, 5. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Then next one 4, 8, 1. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then last one 1. So first you do for addition diagonal numbers. First, second diagonal, third diagonal, then last diagonal. Then you find out answer 5. Here 2 number. So first ones place only write here. Then this one number you to give it to the next place. So 13 plus 1, 14. Write the number 4. 1 is carry over. Give it to next one place. So 1 plus 1, 2. So you finally find out the answer for 65 multiply 37 equal to 65 multiply 37 equal to 2405. This is the method you do for last one. Next one sum. Ready to do now? Do now third sum. 3, 7, 2, 9. Arranged here again 3, 7, 2, 9. 2 7s are 14, 1 4, 2 3s are 6. So here 0, 3, 9 7s are 63, 6 3. 9 3s are 27, 2 7. Then you add and get now 3. The next one diagonal. Finally you added and get now 3, 7, 1 give it to here. So 9 plus 1, 10. So put the 0. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 0, 1. So 1 give it here. 9 plus 1, 10. Here is 0. So write that 10. So 37 multiply 29 equal to 1073 is the answer. The next one 347 multiplied by 5. So this is saying here 3-digit number multiplied by 1. So 3, 4, 7. So only you take for 1, 2, 3 columns. Only one row. Draw the diagonals. Then do for multiplication 5 table. Directly you do for only one number is given to you multiplier. So 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20. 3 fives are 15. Multiplication you do for any one way. 3 fives are or 5 threes are. 4 fives are or 5 fours are same answer. 7 fives are 7 5s are or 5 7s are is correct answer. Multiplication no changes for the product. So easy way, which one table you know clearly, that table used to do that. Finally find out the answer now. 5, 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 5, 7, 1. So write the answer 5, 3, 7, 1. Multiply 347 multiplied by 5. 347 multiplied by 5 equal to 1735. The next one sum, fifth sum. Arrange here 1, 2, 7 multiply by 7. Do it now children. Yourself and check it this. 7 sevens are 49. 2 sevens are 14. 1 sevens are 7. 0 here. Then you add the diagonal 9. 4 plus 4 8. 7 plus 1 8. 0. Then added and get for 9 8 8. This is the 0. So no need to write here 0. Then you will find out the answer is 127 multiplied by 7 equal to 889 is the answer. Unit 2 numbers. This is for lattice algorithm, used the boxes and you do for multiplication. The next one method is here for stand. These steps is saying for lattice algorithm. Here you do for standard algorithm. Standard algorithm previous year studied for last year. Directly do for the multiplication. 48 multiplied by 36. Directly you take it out and write and do the ones table. Ones number first you take and multiply. Then tens place number you take it out and multiply. Then added and get for the answer. Here this is the steps. In your textbook is given for first sum 48, 36. So first you do for 36 for divided and write for 30 plus 6. Tens place 30, ones place 6. So 36 you divided and write here. Then next 48 multiply by 6. 48 multiply by 6. So directly you do for 6 table. Then multiply and get for 288 is the ones place value. Then you do for 48 multiply by 30. So first one is ones place multiplication. So 48 multiply 6. First number. Then second number is 3. So tens place. So you write for 30. So 48 multiply 30. 48 multiply 30. Then you get now ones place 0. Then tens place 3 multiply now. 3 8s are 24. 4 2 carry over. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So then finally you get now 288 plus 1440. This two number added and get for 1728. This is the answer. This for steps. One by one do the steps. Directly do here. This one standard algorithm. 48 multiply 36. Ready children? This is book exercise example sum. I show now exercise number 2.1. Multiply the following number by using standard method. So here given the number for first one sum 72 multiply 29. This number I take it out and do for in your classwork. Ready children? Then multiplication method, another one method. Multiply the following number using the standard method. Here given for 72 multiply 29. So directly take it out and write for 72 multiply by 29. Ones, tens. Okay. So first number is ones place. Only you start to do the multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Anyone you can do. Only first you start for ones place. So ones place number is 9, 2. So 2 nines are or 9 twos are 18. So directly you write for 8. 1 is carry over. Then next one 9 sevens are. 7 nines are any one way you can do 7 table or 9 table, any one method you can do, but you get the answer product is same 63. Then 63 plus 1 64. Then next one, first ones place is completed, so you put here. Then next one, tens place start now 2. 2 multiply 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. Then next one 2 sevens are 2 sevens are or 7 twos are. Any one method you can do 14. Okay. Then you do for multiplication is completed. Then you do for addition. Find out the answers. These two steps you completed. Then you do for add. Okay. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. So put the 0, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer you find out now? 72 multiply 29 equal to 2048 is the answer. This is the way to do for standard multiplication. Then second sum 31 multiply 27. So first you write the number 31 multiply 27. Then draw the line. Ones place, tens place. So what are the number you need to do the multiplication? First number 7. Multiply by 1. Then next one 7 multiply by 3. Then you find out now next one tens place. 2 multiply by 1. 2 multiply by 3. Okay. Easy to you find out. Know the answer. Then you directly do the sums. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 7 ones are 7. Then next one 7 threes are 21. Then next one ones place you put 0 or star anything. Then next one 2. This is the tens place. That's why I give for ones place star or 0. Then next one do for tens place. 2 ones are 2. 3 twos are 6. So you do for directly addition. 7 plus 0 7. 1 plus 2 3. 2 plus 6 8. So what is the answer? 31 multiply 27 equal to 837. This is the answer. You understand the concept children? The next one third sum. 93 multiply 42. So I take it out and write here 93 multiply 42. Ones place and tens place find out here. Then you do for ones place 2 table. Then here the number for 3s. 2 3s are, then next one 2 9s are. Then next one tens place 4, 4 3s are, 4 9s are. So you find out the number, then easy to do the sum. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 4 3s are 12, 4 9s are 36. So here do now 3 2s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are, 9 2s are 18. Then 4 3s are 3, 4s are 12. So write here 2, 1 is carry over. The next one 4 9s are, 9 and 4s are 36, 36 plus 1 37. Then you add now 6, 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, 3. 93 multiply 42 equal to 3906. This is the answer. Then fourth one sum. 124 multiplied by 6. Here given for 3-digit number. Before that you do for 2-digit number, 2 multiplier. Here 3-digit number, only 1 multiplier. Okay. Directly easy to do for 124 multiplied by 6. Only you know the 6 table, directly do the sum. 6 4s are 24. So write the 4. 2 is carry over. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 4. 1 is carry over. Then 6 1s are 6. So 6 plus 1 7. So directly you write the answer. 124 multiplied by 6 is equal to 744. Okay children, easy to find out this. Do practice in your home children, then you easy to do the sums. Thank you children.